Hi, in this video I will take you through the process of assembling our Thrifty Spring free mini trampoline with handle. So when you purchase this mini trampoline, it comes in a box with all the parts disassembled. So first remove the frame, which has the jumping mat included, and the actual frame. The first thing you need to do is tie all the black elastic strings that are around the frame to fasten the jumping mat to the frame of a trampoline. As you go around fastening the jumping mat to the trampoline, you will notice that at two corners of a trampoline, there are two holes that are supposed to be locked using a screw-looking metal. Insert the screw-looking metal into the holes so that you can be able to lock the trampoline. You lock this trampoline so that it doesn't fold, especially while bouncing and rebounding. Once you're done locking your trampoline, the next step is to connect the legs and the handle. As shown in the video, you will identify on your trampoline frame a place where there is a hole. This hole acts as a connector for the trampoline legs and the trampoline handle. At this time, pick two legs and connect them to that connector for it to looks on the video. Turn the two legs in a clockwise position to be able to connect them and also to be able to fasten this connector for the handle. Once the legs are fastened, the next step is for you to connect the handle to the connector. For you to do this, you need to use both screws as being shown on the video to connect it. So all you need to do is insert the screws into the holes, including the washer, then use a spanner to tighten it. Tighten it to the best of your ability so that it doesn't disconnect while rebounding. As you can see by now, the trampoline is already looking up. So the next step is connecting the legs. You do this by turning the legs in clockwise position. You turn it until it can't turn anymore. By that, you know that the legs are already fastened. Repeat this process with all the legs until the trampoline can stand on its own. Once you're done with the legs, remember the connector. There are some screws that are supposed to go there. So turn your trampoline and use an Allen key tool to tighten the screws into the connector. This is just for safety. The The next step is adjusting the handle according to your height. So you take the black knob and screw it in one of the holes depending on your height. We are now on the final process of assembling this trampoline. So all you need to do is take the handle and put the holes adjacent to one another so that the screw can pass through it. Once the screw enters, use an Allen key tool to tighten it. Tighten it to the best of your ability so that it doesn't come off while rebounding. This is how a trampoline should look after the whole assembly. Thank you for staying tuned.